Windows do more than let in light. They protect your home from the elements and keep your indoor environment comfortable year-round. For homeowners in Rowlett, where temperatures can range from humid summers to chilly winters, proper window installation makes all the difference. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, moisture buildup, and higher energy bills. That's why professional window installation isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity for long-term comfort, efficiency, and home protection. The hidden costs of improper window installation. It's easy to overlook the importance of correct window installation until problems begin to show. Even the highest quality window can underperform if it's not fitted and sealed properly. Small gaps around the frame or incorrect alignment can allow outside air and moisture to infiltrate your home. Over time, those small issues lead to larger problems. Drafts that make rooms feel colder in winter and hotter in summer, condensation and moisture buildup that can damage window frames, and drywall mold and mildew growth caused by trapped humidity, increased energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to maintain indoor temperatures. For Rowlett homeowners, these issues can quickly compromise both comfort and structural integrity, and they're almost always preventable with professional installation. Proper sealing and insulation. One of the biggest benefits of professional window installation is the precision in sealing and insulating your windows. Experts know how to use the right materials, including flashing tape, expanding foam, and caulking, to ensure airtight protection. In a humid Texas climate like Rowlett's, proper sealing prevents warm, moist air from entering during summer and keeps conditioned air from escaping. This not only improves comfort but also helps your air conditioning system operate more efficiently, saving you money each month. Eliminating drafts for year-round comfort. Drafty windows are one of the most common complaints among homeowners with poorly installed or aging windows. These leaks often occur around the window frame where gaps form due to improper fitting or settling. Professional installers measure each opening precisely and adjust for structural variations in your home. By ensuring the window fits snugly into place, they eliminate those tiny cracks that cause uncomfortable drafts. As a result, your living spaces stay evenly heated or cooled, no more cold spots near windows in winter or hot air seeping in during summer. Moisture protection through expert flashing and drainage. Moisture control is critical in Rowlett's climate, where humidity levels can be high for much of the year. Water intrusion can lead to wood rot, mold, and structural damage if windows aren't properly sealed and flashed. Professional installers apply flashing, a waterproof barrier around the window frame, to redirect rainwater away from your walls and insulation. Combined with the correct slope and drainage systems, this prevents moisture from pooling near your windows or seeping inside. Preventing condensation and mold growth. When windows are improperly installed, temperature differences between the inside and outside can lead to condensation buildup on glass and frames. Over time, that trapped moisture can promote mold and mildew growth, especially around wood trim or drywall. Professional installation ensures your windows are insulated correctly and use materials that minimize thermal bridging. This means less condensation and a healthier, cleaner indoor environment for your family. Long-term energy savings and home protection. A professional window installation doesn't just prevent drafts and moisture, it also enhances your home's long-term performance. By creating a tighter building envelope, your windows help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your HVAC system. This leads to lower monthly utility bills and a more sustainable home overall. Additionally, the precision of professional installation helps extend the lifespan of your windows, protecting your investment for decades. Peace of mind through expert craftsmanship. When you choose professional installation, you're not just paying for labor, you're investing in experience, tools, and expertise. Certified window installers in Rowlett understand local building codes, weather challenges, and the best installation techniques for your home's design. That means every detail, from the frame alignment to the final caulking, is handled with care. You get peace of mind knowing your windows are secure, efficient, and built to withstand the local climate. A smart investment for every Rowlett home. Drafts and moisture might seem like small problems, but they can lead to costly repairs if left unchecked. Professional window installation ensures that your home stays comfortable, dry, and energy efficient, no matter the season. For Rowlett homeowners, the difference between a quick DIY job and a professionally installed window can mean years of added protection, performance, and savings. It's not just an upgrade, it's an investment in your home's long-term value and comfort.